What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Let Her Go by the kid LAROI. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll take you from 6 to midnight and leave you on red for 5 days. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and you got a capo up to the 6th fret, and it's using 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. And as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord is A minor. It's going to be 2nd fret on the D string with your middle finger, ring finger 3rd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. Then you go in F major. You can do the bar chord, but I find that it's easier here to do like the F major 7 version, where your thumb is on the 1st fret of the low E, ring fingers on the 3rd fret of the A, pinky fingers 3rd fret of the D, middle fingers on the 2nd fret of the G, and your index fingers on the 1st fret of the B. And then finally G major, 3rd fret on the low E with your ring finger, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger or pinky finger 3rd fret high E string. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. Now it is a little bit faster. On the A minor, you're going down, down, up, down, up. F is down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're switching to the G on an up strum. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.